Yeah, g'day.
G'day.
We're in Tasmania. Sure you want to do this? Okay, well after the dismal sunrise, we are now going to climb Mt Amos. 3 to 5 hours up. Everyone says it's really good. But yeah, we'll start complaining in about 4 minutes, being exhausted. See how we go.
Take good views from here.
What's your heart rate at?
I think there's another stop. 103.
That's a lie. Mine's at about 200. I'm buggered. Oh man, we made it to the top. Definitely need to be fitter. Sketchy in some parts. A lot better than taking the easy walk down to the water. Isn't that right, Melons?
Yep.
Now it's time to go down and have some breakfast. Breakfast.
Yeah.
Well, after a pretty hectic walk, we're a bit sore and tender. Down at Friendly Beach, near Coles Bay. And we're just gonna go for a quick walk along the beach, I guess. Get the drone up, see what's going on.
Swim, and I cleaned it up a bit.
It's pretty clean.
Look at this!
There you go. Watch out! Ah!
Ah!